beautiful flag. My freedom, my liberty, my unity, my tears, my strength, my pride, my heritage, my culture, my majesty, my credo. With every battle, you are the blue and red that reigns. Blue for light, blue for art, blue for mood, blue for justice, blue for harmony, red for blood, sweat and tears, red for courage, red for strength, joy and happiness. Together, bleu et rouge for life. Our ancestors left you for our legacy. Battled and bruised, you give us honor. You make their name seem glorious. This promise to us to keep us unified. Though they burn you, though they hate you, we will always know your glory. Though they trust you, wish they were you. Immaculate and splendid you will always be. We know and respect the sacrifice of your death. So today, we raise you high for all to see. A symbol of freedom and unity, that we stand tall, that we stand proud, that we stand for what you decree. We are the first free Black Republic. Thank you.